Well everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today Tristan and I did a little test run. We're developing a new automatic water feeder for our chickens. They're getting so big so quickly that they take us literally 4 or 5 times of us refilling their waterers each day. Literally, we'll fill them up and then 2 hours later they'll be empty. And then in the morning, when we go out there to check on them, their water is empty, it's dry. There's wood shavings in their water, so the wood shavings absorb probably a good amount of the water, but they're also drinking so much. They're also eating like crazy. They're literally probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 inches tall already. They have to stay in their brooder for at least another 2, maybe 3 weeks before we can put them out on to pasture. So that's what Tristan and I were working on today. We mocked it up and everything like that. We tested it. We're going to do some modifications to it, but this is us working on our automatic waterer. Really enjoyed doing it. We got a little dirty, but it was fun. It was a good project. But our Mark II, our version 2 that we're going to build tomorrow, will be better and more efficient. So if you've ever made an automatic chicken waterer, drop a comment down below and let us know how you did it. We didn't look anything up or anything like that, just had an idea of how we wanted to do it, and it was a good experience, so we really enjoyed it. Our chickens, they're so cool looking. I was going to put the GoPro down into their brooder today to show everybody, but I just forgot. Things happen, and Tristan and I were working on this project tonight until almost 1 o'clock this morning. It's currently 3 a.m. so I'm working on this video so I can have it out tomorrow and talk to y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all at the end of the video, and I'll talk with y'all a little bit more. Well, Tristan and I went ahead and cut some 4-inch PVC. These pieces right here are 16 inches long. We have our T-joint right here, which the connection port is 4 inches. So our total length is going to be 36 inches. So what I'm going to do, just take this, insert it into this T-joint, just like that, flip it over, or I'll turn it sideways so I can show you off, put it in here, just like this. Then we'll take a dead blow, smack them in. Let me grab the dead blow. Dead blow, rubber hammer. Put it on end. Smack it like that. Flip it over. Do the same. Not really worried about losing water because it's pretty tight. And we're gonna fill up the edge with a polymer glue. It's not PVC pipe glue, but it'll work. So the next step that we'll do, we're going to drill some holes in the bottom of this so that we can run our 7-inch PVC pipes so that they can fill our actual basin for our chickens. So it'll be like this. So the water will come through this pipe, come down to just right below the edge of our inside diameter of our 4-inch bottom pipe, so that it'll fill up our basin right here with water up to a certain level, and then it'll constantly give them fresh drinking water. So that's what we're about to do. So what we're going to use to get us a baseline across the bottom of our PVC, we took our T-joint, flipped it on its flat edge so that we have this same plane right here. Then we're going to use a chalk line to establish a center line that we can drill out our 2 holes so we can put our 7-inch PVC in there. Tristan's just going to hold it. I'm going to get it tight.
That's not straight. Come over some. Nope.
There we go. And then we'll just pop it.
We'll pop it.
And there we go. So now we have a straight blue line right across the bottom. So we're going to take a step drill, go all the way through it with our step drill in our DeWalt drill, so that the diameters will almost be identical, so we can just slide it in to where this PVC is coming up to that edge, just like that. So that's what we're about to do. Let's do 6 inches then. No, we'll do 8. Okay. I like round numbers.
Joke's on you, because 8 is round.
On the top and the bottom. Hold it, let me hold this here.
That bees it.
Bees in the trap.
Have fun. Put your hand underneath it. That's not all the way through.
Coolio! So we're going to take our PVC tubes, we're going to put them just on the inside. So just as they meet up, they marry the bottom just like that. And we're going to glue them into place. And then that'll give us time for this to cure while we're cutting our holes in our bottom actual waterer area. Then we'll put it all together. I'm going to use extreme power super glue to tack it in place. And then I'm going to use a quick set activator.
It's going to get all over my hands. Hurry up. That's enough. Just, yep, chew it.
So it activates it quickly just to tack it in place so that we can bond it. And it's good, as long as we don't hit it.
Try to put some more though.
So that's in place. So I'm gonna come over to the other side and do the same thing. Oh, my hand is burning. Good.
I guess that looks about square. Okay, that's enough. Just hurry up before it leaks out the bottom.
So now we have them tacked in place. And then we can follow up with our actual adhesive that we're going to be using to hold it together. When that other stuff cures, it's going to be like concrete. It's going to be solid. So I'm going to be using, I can't remember what this is called.
This is construction adhesive.
It's construction adhesive. Tristan already knows the answer. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to caulk the edge. It's super thick, viscous. So after I get some on it, I'll use my finger and just get it into that hole.
That's never coming off now.
Until I break it off. Should be enough. Almost feels like plumber's putty. So then
I'd probably put what's on your finger right there and actually make a bead around over here.
Yep.
Instead of doing what you're doing.
I'm just trying to make sure I get it in that crack.
Oh yeah. Is that what you're doing?
Get it in the crack, yeah.
Crack is whack.
So Tristan's just gonna follow up what I just did with an actual bead around it. So yeah, we got our water reservoir all curing right now. So we're gonna set this off to the side, and then we're gonna actually start working on our water distributor, we'll say. So we have our inlet holes cut here and here. So now we're gonna mock it back up, and then we're gonna make a slit essentially from this point all the way across so that our chickens can get to it and get water out of it. All right, so I'm just gonna take the angle grinder and I'm gonna cut along this line.
we went ahead and mocked up our waterer. I have construction adhesive all over me. So this is curing right now. When this is done cured, we'll flip it over and we'll do the same thing for our actual distributor. Then we'll go ahead and hit the joints with some more construction adhesive, make it all solid, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our end caps on, and then we're gonna test out to see if it holds water.
Well everyone, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like I said, today it was just us working on this project a little bit. We did come out of pocket for some of the supplies. It was roughly like 50-60 bucks, so it wasn't too bad, but it was a good experience. We got a better understanding of how to make our final version of this, and like I said earlier, if y'all have ever made an automatic chicken waterer, drop a comment down below and let us know how you did, or share some ideas that you have of it. It's really good to engage with everybody and get a better understanding of where y'all's mindset is. My mindset right now is to get as much done as I can and be able to share it with y'all. It's super cool being able to interact with everybody on here and document our life. So thank y'all so much once again. Tomorrow Tristan and I will do version 2 of our waterer, like I said, and we'll record that and share that. We might record it, we might share it, we might just introduce it at some point later down the road and be like, oh yeah, this is the second version of the thing that we showed you that we never showed you that it worked. We might not, I haven't decided yet, but there's just so many things happening each day and trying to pick and choose the right things to show y'all, so we'll see what happens. But as always, there's going to be another video tomorrow, and we're just chugging along. It's super rewarding being able to work for yourself, work for your own family, and be able to share your experiences and the things that you learn with everybody on YouTube and on this platform. So I'm very excited about it. Our chickens, like I said earlier, are crazy big. Tristan and I were joking back and forth, calling them like different animals, like cats and dogs, because they're literally pretty big. And it feels like just the other day we were picking them up as chicks. So we still have 93 of them, and we still have 6 guineas. So we have almost 100 birds. 100 birds. I thought we were going to lose more. Like earlier in previous videos, I said that we'd probably lose about 20%, but we've only lost 6% or 7%. Maybe I'll take y'all around and show y'all some more progress that we've been making clearing. Maybe I'll do that. I haven't decided. There's so many things that I can show everybody, and like, I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Drop comments down below what y'all would like to see. If you're new to the channel, go check out some of our other videos, because our first few videos I feel like were terrible, and we're finally starting to get a little bit better. Or I'm starting to finally get a little bit better, especially coming across film, talking with y'all. I feel like it's finally starting to get a little bit more traction and engagement with everybody. So just drop a comment down below if you think so too. But yeah, my dad's having surgery Friday, so today is Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah, today's Wednesday right now. Wednesday, February 26th. My dad has surgery on Friday, so he'll be out, and maybe I'll be able to, maybe I'll start doing like vlog style, and like when I'm waking up in the morning in my routine, and then getting my wife on film with our daughter and my stepmom and my other brother Devin, who's never really on camera that much. But I really want to start doing that and developing more personable with everybody, so that I can build this connection with everybody. That's my goal. I want to be able to connect with y'all and engage with y'all, and tell stories to y'all about us. I want us to be like friends here. Like that's what it should be. It should be like friends helping friends, and we should be able to grow this community on this platform and know each other on a first name basis. I know a few people have watched some of our other videos and my name has been dropped. So if you don't know my name and you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. But I'll tell you my name now. My name's Cody. And you'll get to meet the rest of my family some other time. So if you liked our videos, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all tomorrow.